Hello everyone. So today we are solving the problem of the day on Leetcode, which is remove covered intervals. So here we are given an intervals and we have to remove all the intervals that are getting covered by another interval in the list. This is the condition that is given to us. The interval A and B is covered by the interval C and D if and only if C is smaller than equals to A and B is smaller than equals to D. Let's work out an example. So let's take this. This is a list of intervals we have. Now we will first sort the problem. Sort the intervals. Okay. When we are sorting it, let's make it 2, 8 and 3, 6. Right. Since we have sorted this right now based on the starting, like the start time of the interval, we also need to, if we have similar intervals like 1, 4, 1, 6 or 1, 5, we also, since the start time of all the intervals is same, we need to sort them based on the end times. Okay, so it's this will come here, right? Now since we have sorted the intervals, next what we want to do is we will have a variable previous end is equals to 0. Now how we are going to see if the interval is covered or not. Okay, so the current end time is 4, which is obviously greater than the previous end. So we will update the previous end with 4. Okay, no interval is getting covered. Now another next interval previous end is 8. Okay, 4 is smaller than the previous end. 4 is smaller than the 8. So we will extend our previous end time to 8. No interval is getting covered. Okay, now again we'll see we have previous 6. Now 6 is smaller than the previous end of 8, right? Meaning this interval is getting covered. So we'll increase the count. I guess this is sorted, right? We will increase the count to see how many intervals are getting covered. This will count how many intervals are getting covered, right? Let's code this problem out. Okay, now the first task is to sort. Intervals dot sort p is equals to lambda x x0 minus x1. This is how we are going to sort. Basically this lambda statement is saying to first sort based on the starting time of the interval. If all the starting times are same, then we will sort based on the end time of the intervals, right? Now we'll make a variable with previous. Okay, now for start and end in intervals, if the previous interval is smaller or equals to the current interval, current end, so we will update the previous end. Okay, else we will increase the count. Let's make this here. So we'll increase the count, which means the interval is getting covered. Now we want to return the intervals we are left with. So length of intervals minus count. This was a fairly easy question. I hope I'm able to convey the solution. If you have any doubts, do comment down below. Thank you.